Okay, I'm Joseph Wambati. I'm a student of St. Anthony's Risha Boys. I always come here when we close schools. I always study with my friends of Bukoholo RC Primary School.
Okay, maybe before you continue, can you introduce yourself? Your name?
My name is Brian Smith.
Yeah. A pupil?
From Bukoholo RC Primary.
Yeah. In which class?
Standard 7.
Standard 7. So what you have? Maybe you want to talk about the program.
Okay.
How do you see this XO program or LCC program?
Actually, this XO laptop or XO program actually, I have seen through my friends of Bukoholo Primary School. I have seen several changes. For example, when I was at Bukoholo Primary School, we were not learning such a thing. So now actually I have seen my friend can teach me several things, and since I will always close schools, actually I always learn several things from them, and I always make a system in some places where, for example, in record activity, actually I can teach them several things because I have learned it through my friends and through my teacher. Actually, I have learned more. For example, in write activity, record activity, and even I can move to Wikipedia. I can.
So, can you tell me anything about chat activity?
Yes, actually, in chat activity, I can chat to my friends. We can communicate several messages with my friends. For example, of this primary school, we can communicate with them. And in chat activity, actually, we have learned, for example, we have been communicating about HIV and AIDS. We know that HIV and AIDS, actually, after I asking him, I wanted to know more about it. Actually, he answered me very well. For example, I used to ask him what he knows about HIV and AIDS. And actually, I have learned more in chat activity because I didn't want it.
So what I want you to tell me is if you've learned anything about chat activity, what's the most thing you normally discuss about chat activity?
Okay, the most thing actually we always discuss about chat activity is just to share with friends what we have. We normally chat about HIV and AIDS. For example, here with me, I have seen several things that they were chatting about HIV and AIDS. Through this, actually, we can remember several things because it always says what they did.
Oh, this is you see here
Yes.
what is Joseph trying to tell us. Prudence and Nyonkesa were discussing about HIV and AIDS. You see here, Prudence asked Nyonkesa what's HIV, and Nyonkesa said HIV is caused by virus. Okay, continue.
Actually, this XO laptop it will make me to learn more things about HIV and AIDS.
So, what can you tell us about HIV and AIDS?
Actually,
What have you improved on HIV and AIDS?
Actually, as I know that HIV and AIDS is a killer disease, it has no cure. So, my friends, I want to encourage them that they should abstain from sex because actually, sex maybe it takes more percentage in this disease or the transition of this disease.
That's nice. Then, Mike, have you learned anything about HIV?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what you've learned about HIV and AIDS?
To learn about radioactivity.
No, I said HIV/AIDS. Right activity, you did it on computer.
Yes.
Yeah, that's nice. You've learned about right activity on computer, as you see. Then about HIV, have you heard anything about HIV/AIDS?
Yes.
Yeah, what can you tell me about HIV? Anything on HIV? So it's a problem, huh? Okay. Sawa, Joseph.
Yes.
So, have you ever learned anything about child rights?
Yes, actually, I have learned about child rights.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's nice. So, what can you tell these people of the program?
Actually, I wish to tell them that I have, since we close schools, I have seen that you have many people that wishes to know about wishes to learn about several things in this or laptops, but due to fewer as they are actually, I wish maybe they could bring several or laptops so that we should maybe have the center, maybe youth corner center, so that we can chat with some youth, for example, without not idling in some villages. We can do something that will improve in our life. For example, we can learn several things about HIV and AIDS, and we should learn several things about abstinence, and that during that time maybe of learning that we will not waste our time in engaging in several things, but we should be learning several good things.
That's nice. Then you see why should you have a youth friendly corner? I think you're saying so that they bring in more laptops. You have a youth friendly corner where you will sit, you will discuss.
Yes.
I know that because idleness can bring more. Idle mind can make you to mess up with your life.
Yes.
Thank you very much.